I'm Sarah. I started as a participant at Mile High Workshop in 2017. I was transitioning out of homelessness. I was living in a relative's basement with my 2 young children. I was suffering from depression, anxiety, panic attacks, trauma, all the good stuff. And, you know, Mile High, they helped me not only secure a job, I got help with therapy, and I also got help with, you know, finding permanent housing. So, and also, I've been there for 6 years, so I've had 2 promotions, and I was hired as a team lead in the sew shop, and I am currently the sew shop trainer and the supervisor.
And I found the workshop shortly after graduating college. I studied fashion design, and it was in college when I realized that I was going into an industry that has the worst practices when it comes to the environment and humanity. But it was also in college when I made the decision that I wasn't going to contribute to that, which is what led me to finding Mile High Workshop shortly after graduating. And at Mile High Workshop, I'm able to design sustainable products and empower people in the community by teaching them a skill. So Mile High Workshop hires people who don't just want a job, but also an opportunity to transform their lives after prison, homelessness, or addiction. We offer a 9-month employment training program where participants learn to apply technical skills to complete our customers' production needs, and they also learn soft skills that they needed to help increase their job readiness for the long term. One of the ways we do this is in our sew shop, where we upcycle old vinyl marketing banners into reusable bags. Our customers, like Adobe, have thousands of square feet of used marketing materials that they've collected over the years. And they just can't, they feel guilty throwing it away, but they have to get it out of their storage spaces or their workspaces, and so they find us and hire us to repurpose them into reusable products. We've seen our customers use them for employee gifts, promotional items, and for resale. These are just a few of our customers that we partner with, and in anticipation of Colorado's plastic bag ban next year, we're seeing increasing interest from municipalities like the city of Denver, who are looking for sustainable, reusable grocery totes. And we're also exploring opportunities to partner with larger grocery stores and retailers who value a local circular economy and who want to support job training to underserved people. We're currently doing some market research to better identify which companies would be willing to pay more for sustainable bags in bulk. So far, we're learning from potential customers like REI, Cotopaxi, and Patagonia. There are other domestic companies doing similar things to us. We all repurpose billboards and banners in effort to divert waste. However, Mile High Workshop is the only USA certified social enterprise using this model as a job training opportunity. Our team is small but mighty. I've been around the longest. I'm the sew shop manager and creative director. We have Carmen Johnson, who's sitting in the audience. She helps bring in new business. We have Sarah, who's right here next to me. She's our sew shop supervisor, and she trains and supports our team in production. We have Karen Jenzink, who is our executive director, and she helps us to build the sew shop to have a long-term impact. And we currently have 5 people in the program who are helping to fulfill our production orders. And though we're small, our impact is significant, and we're growing. Since 2015, we've trained over 50 people in industrial sewing, and since the program has begun, we've diverted about 7.5 tons of materials from landfill, and in 2024, we anticipate to divert 3 tons alone. And year after year, we continue to see consistent and upward trend in production. This year, we're on track to bring in over $200,000, and our goal for 2024 is to double this year's revenue. But in order for us to hit our 2024 triple bottom line goals, we'll need to replace and add new sewing machines that total up to about $29,000 worth of equipment. We've recently applied for the RREO mini grant, so we hope this helps. If we do get new machines, we can hire more participants, but if we do hire more participants, we're going to need a hire more support staff. So $100,000 will help us in the first year to fund a part-time business manager and program specialist who will assist participants with resources like housing, mental health, transportation, just to name a few. We also need to grow our marketing, so $20,000 will help us develop a more proactive marketing sales presence.
All right. So we believe together we can make a more prosperous world, where all people are empowered by meaningful work, where we can take discarded materials and empower people who society has also discarded. So where we can produce something so good from something that was once seen as good for nothing and create value. Thank you very much.